science experiment Thursday. This is our second one. Last week we did magic milk, and I loved seeing your photos and hearing about you guys doing it. This week we're going to be doing a lava lamp. I'm super duper excited, and we have a new guest. Instead of little Quinn, we have Big Eli. So today we're going to be doing a lava lamp, and I'm super excited. We're going to get right to it. So the materials that we need is a
glass container.
Glass container. I'm using glass because I wanted to, but you could use a plastic cup, a glass cup, you could use a tall cup, you could use a small cup. You could use a empty water bottle, you could use an empty soda bottle. The point is that it has to be
you see-through.
Clear, see-through, transparent. So we're using this guy. We also need
water.
Water. Don't know why I have it in this container, but yeah, we need water. Not a specific amount. You just want to make sure that whatever container that you're filling, you do half water and half of our next ingredient, which is
oil.
Oil. We're using vegetable oil because this is what I have at home. You can use any oil you want. I would suggest not using extra virgin olive oil because it's a little expensive, and we are going to use maybe half a cup or so. Okay, so boom. Next ingredient that we need is food coloring. Why do we always use blue and green? Because that's all we got. I don't know why. However, you don't want to use yellow because yellow will not see. So the other one that comes in the container, I think it's red or orange, whichever one. So you could use those three colors. We're going to be sticking to our trusty two that we have. Last ingredient is
Alka Seltzer.
Alka Seltzer. You're not showing the photo to my friends. Alka Seltzer. We're using Alka Seltzer because that's what I have at home. However, you could also use aspirin. I do not have aspirin, so this is why we'll be using Alka Seltzer. Okay, let's begin. All right, let's pour water in our container. Go. Let's see how we're going to do this. I'll hold it and you pour it. Boom. So we want to fill it up halfway.
Right there. That's good.
Right there. That's good. Yeah. See? Halfway. And then you want to use oil.
Alright, so.
Halfway. Which will, halfway would continue your jar that you have. It will bring it to the top. Don't do it to the tippy top. Don't do it to the tippy top. Just kind of sort of right there. Boom. So what's happening to our oil and water?
It's like.
Wait, let our friends answer.
Maybe. Oh, that's nice.
Okay, what do you think's happening to our oil and water?
It's dividing because they don't like each other. They're not friends.
They're not friends.
So one top, since it's not going together. It's
yes,
dividing.
They don't mix. Oil and water do not mix, so they always separate. So the oil is going to stay on top, and the water is going to stay on the bottom. Now, it does look like it has some bubbles of some sort, which is kind of cool. Yeah, Elijah says it looks like ginger ale. Our favorite. Okay, so now you do green, I'll do blue. So you want to do the dots where all around in a circle, kind of sort of like magic milk. Don't try to put the dots on top of other dots, right? So I'll go first. You need help?
Yeah, I can't open it.
Boom.
Nice.
All right, here we go. One for me. Ooh, two for me, my bad.
I'll do some then. One for me. One for me.
Ooh, it's dropping. Okay, ready? One for me, 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 one for me. All right. Let's see.
Alright. One for me, one for me, one for me, one for me, and one for me, and one for me.
Perfect. So this is what it looks like. The balls of the food coloring stay on the surface of the oil. They'll start to leak through as we get towards the experiment. So now
this is where it starts.
This is the lava lamp experiment. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right, here. So this is what an Alka Seltzer looks like. Show them.
You can either use aspirin.
Yes, aspirin or Alka Seltzer. So here we go. I'm going to lift it up to our audience.
Dun, dun,
go ahead.
Dun, 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 dun. Wait, doesn't have to go.
Just go ahead. There it goes. So as you can see, the Alka Seltzer is creating bubbles, and it's creating like a cool effect. It looks like a wave pool.
And while this is happening, if you have other colors, not just two, like you can have red, because yellow won't work, you can use red or orange, and it would probably do some cool effect, right?
Yeah, it would do some cool effect.